Alright, welcome to the channel everybody. So today is an exciting day. So instead of working on this MR2, we're going to be working on this MR2. Let's dive in. Alright, so this is it. This is a 2003 Toyota MR2. Now this is not my car. So a friend reached out to me on Facebook saying that they've got this car and an engine swap in mind. Now normally that's not really something I want to get into. However, when he tells me his plans and what engine we have in store for this thing, alright, that's got me thinking. So there's going to be a lot of metal fabrication that's going to be involved in this. So before we get any further, let's show you what the engine transmission is going to be. Alright, for this project we're going K-powered. So this is a K-series engine out of an RSX. I'm not really sure of the year, but this is what we got to go with. Additionally, we're going to be using this Porsche 6-speed transmission. This is the G22.2 transaxle. It's actually the same machine that I'm using in my V8 MR2. And to put the two things together, we're going to be using a Kennedy Engineering adapter plate. Additionally, it's the same plate that I have to adapt my 6-speed transaxle in my V8 MR2 to the actual LS engine. Really nice piece of machine work. So on today's episode, we're going to be getting that drivetrain set up in this chassis. All right, getting started, I already came through here and cut out a significant amount of sheet metal, which will give us the space to get working. So we're going to get right to it and get that engine mated to that transmission now. All right, now that I got the engine and transmission together, so the goal is here to roll the entire assembly underneath the car into its position. So to do that, we're going to have to remove all the suspension. We're going to get all that ripped out now. All right, well, it's at least in there, so now we're going to hoist it up to its proper location. All right, so we have successfully fit a K24 engine inside of a Toyota MR2. Now everything is lining up really well as far as the output shafts, the height on everything, and the space between the front of the engine and the firewall. So we're really excited about how that's lining up. Additionally, join me next time when we build a tube structure engine crossmember to fit this thing to the chassis. Hit subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.